organism and saying that it had to have been built up in incremental means. People don't buy that because it's not true.
How much of a makeover of the evolutionary biology community will the extended synthesis entail?
Well, I think that if you polled different people at the Altenberg meeting, they would say, well, it just needs to be what exists plus a few additional things that we're working on. I think that the bigger challenges, particularly coming out of this idea of plasticity, is to the idea that things are built up in increments and that it's only genetic change that drives evolution. I think that idea is a big idea, and that big idea is coming up against a lot of kind of entrenched kind of belief within the scientific community that things happen in the Darwinian fashion. So I think that ultimately it's going to be a big turnaround in evolutionary theory, even though it might look like it's happening slowly.
Massimo Pigliucci, one of the coordinators of the Altenberg event, has told me that the extended synthesis will not affect the lives of people in general. So obviously you don't agree.
I think it will affect the lives of people in the sense that right now we have these wars around belief in evolution or not belief in evolution. We've kind of moved past having big wars about whether people should take certain medications for high blood pressure or something. You know, you can be religious and take blood pressure medicines, or you can be an atheist and take. We don't have wars about many aspects of science. We do have wars about some of the aspects of science, and one of the reasons we have these wars is because people are being asked to accept kind of implausible and incorrect mechanisms. I think that if better ideas of how evolution occurred get out into the wider culture, there'll be more of an acceptance of the phenomenon of evolution. People will stop fighting about whether evolution happened, which is a ridiculous fight. And it's only, it's partly a ridiculous fight because of because of religion. The other side is because of science, because the science is not where it should